Freelancer for Beginners. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to your website and open Gumroad from your browser. Click Start Selling to register for an account on the platform. You can use your social media account or email to sign up, such as using your email address for the registration process. After registering successfully, go to the Products section in your dashboard. Select the type of your product from the available options, such as choosing digital product if you're selling digital content. Name your product clearly and set the appropriate price for what you're offering. Then click Next, Customize to proceed to the customization phase. Add a description, cover image, thumbnail, and call to action button to your product page to make it more appealing to potential customers. You can add additional details and other options if needed to enhance your product listing. After that, click Save and continue to move forward in the process. Now upload the content you want to sell to the platform. Then click Publish and continue to make your product live and available for purchase. Finally, click Copy URL and share it.